Quick, graph y equals e to the x minus 3 by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during the video. The first way is with the e to the x dance. Y equals e to the x has an asymptote at y equals 0, or the x-axis. But because of the -3 or the -3, the asymptote will be at the line y equals -3, shifting everything down 3 units. Because of the -3, the origin is also now moved down 3 units to 0, -3, and all points will be plotted relative to this new origin. This point is right 0, up 1, because e to the 0 power is 1. Here we're listing the powers of e that you should just know. So right 1 up e, which is about 2.7. Right 2 up 7.4, which is e squared. Left 1 up e to the -1, which is 0.4. And left 2 up 0.14, which is e to the -2. Connect the points, and you can see when we compare this to the parent function that from blue to green, every point is moved down 3 units because of that -3. Second way, using a table. Again, recall the powers of e that you should just know, and this is our table of 5 values that we usually use. We're going to need to subtract 3 from each of the y coordinates because of the -3 in the equation. So 7.4 minus 3 is 4.4. Notice the x coordinates are unaffected by that -3. 2, 4.4. 2.7 minus 3 is -0.3, so 1, -0.3. Now you go ahead and finish the table and plot the remaining 3 points. Press pause to do this and resume when you're ready. One minus 3, -2, 0, -2. 0.4 minus 3 is -2.6, so -1, -2.6. And 0.14 minus 3 is -2.86, -2, almost -3, -2.86. Draw the asymptote, which is the line y equals -3. And then connect the points using that line as a boundary line. And we compare it to the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals e to the x power -2. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here is that answer. The parent function all shifted down 2 units, including the asymptote.